Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video.
So welcome everyone guys to this amazing learning opportunity with Digitest. So I'll be introducing us to Postermywall. It's an amazing tool I just discovered lately. I discovered that this amazing tool, if not far better than Canvas, at least it's the same league with Canvas, if not better. So this Postermywall contains thousands of templates, either logo, videos, flyers, posters, any form of design you might want to design as a graphic designer or as a designer in general that you might want to design. This Postermywall contains everything you need. All you need to do is, in this Postermywall, is to just look for a template that aligns with what you want to design and tap on it, then start editing, putting your content, replacing it by replacing the content with your own content, and within few minutes your design is done. It's as just simple as ABC. I said it's what is simple as ABC. You can see some of these templates that you are seeing in the video now. If you scroll down, you will see a lot of templates, either product design, either you want to do anything maybe for music or for flyers, even church design. Everything is embedded in this Postermywall. All you need to do, select a template that align with what you want to design. As soon as you are done selecting it, then off you go. You can see different options, different categories of what you can actually do with Postermywall. You can see flyers, you can see posters, you can see product design. Just name it. Just name it. Just name it. Just name it. For your digital marketing, every thing you need for it is on Postermywall. Is on it. You can see. If you even want to design for social media, it's there. Put in your content, replace it with this amazing design that you are looking at in this video. Then all you go.